Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to order in Zara app on your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zara app if you haven't already. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you will see interface something like this. Now you can start browsing products. Here you can use the search bar to find your specific items. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. You can explore through the products. And when you find something you like, tap on it to view more details. For example, I'll select this sneaker. In the product space, you can see the details of the product. You can read through the description. You can see their photos. After selecting your preference, if you want to order this item, you can tap on add button over here. Select your size and now it will be added to your shopping cart. To view the shopping cart, you can see the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Here you can review your selections and you can see all the items that you have added to the shopping cart. Make sure everything is good. If you need to make any changes, you can do so by tapping on the item. Once you are happy with your selections, now to proceed to the checkout process, tap on buy button at the bottom. You need to be logged into your account in order to proceed further. Here you can enter your shipping information. Make sure to double check your address to avoid any delivery issues. So you can select your preferred shipping method and tap on continue. Now here you need to select your payment methods. So you can select it as per your preference. Select the payment method. Enter your details. After you enter your payment informations, you can review your order to ensure everything is correct, and once you are ready, you can authorize payment. So here you can see the authorize payment button, tap on it. And that's it. You've successfully ordered an item in Zara app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.